Okay, so I'm going to show you quick and easy how to add a sub menu item to your Shopify store. So I'm looking at this Shopify store right here, and let's just say I want a sub menu item under catalog. So I want a drop down with a sub menu item for the different collections that I have. So I'm going to go in here, and you'd think it'd be in like online store or the edit theme section, but it's actually not, which is a little confusing. So you actually go over here to um, content, it's under, and then you click on menus. And then in your menu, you pick your main menu or footer menu. So I'm going to pick the footer menu. And then I'm going to click on add menu item. Now it won't be under nested as it's called unless you move it up here and then bring it in a little bit with your mouse. And then I can do like um, presidents, right? Because it's one of my collections of stickers. And then I go to collection, American president. So I pick the collection. I can filter it further by tags if I just want certain ones that are tagged, but I don't. I'm just going to save that. So be sure to save it. And then if I refresh my site, now you can see when I hover over, whoops, let's just let this refresh, save the menu, since there under catalog. So now you can see if I refresh it now, I'm going to get this little drop down arrow. So if I click on this, now it's going to bring me into specific collections of products, right? Which is probably the way that I want it. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.